I'm on live. Hi! Kumusta, kumusta na yung baby mo? Wala. Bukas may pasok na ako. Oo, wala akong pasok ngayon. Bukas may pasok na ulit. Day off ko ngayon eh. Wala, sa bahay lang. Hoy girl, bakit hindi ka na nag-upload ng video? Oo, chill-chill lang tayo ngayon. Bakit hindi ka na nag-upload ng video? Sayang naman yung mag-upload ka ng videos. Kumusta na si baby maganda? If I walk to the neighborhood while I'm doing live, honey, do you think I'm still have a internet?
When you leave the house and it switches to the cell phone, it might drop for a second, but yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Mills Video. Hi. Nag-try lang akong mag-live. Thank you. Mag-upload ka ng video, Christina. Sayang naman. Oo, mahirap nga pag may baby. Thank you sa pag-thumbs up. Hey Dan, do you wanna see my vlog real quick?
Let's see what?
He's installing the videos. Hi.
The videos?
Live. It's in live. Hi. I don't have a tripod. Can you, hey Dan, can you unplug the tripod onto my camera, please? It's on my camera.
The tripod right there.
Where? This one? How can I touch these?
Same way you would attach that.
Oh, right there. Here. Chill-chill lang tayo sa bahay. Let me put this phone real quick over here. I'm just gonna assemble this one. I like the phone like stand up. I'm gonna put it here for a little bit. Oh, this is hard to put the tripod on. Mag-try ako mag-live hanggang, anong oras na ba? Alas 6 na, mag-aalas 7 na ng gabi dito. Mag-try tayo mag-live ng mga, alas 7, alas 8, siguro, mga isang oras. Try natin mag-live ng isang oras. Then, ilagay ko dito yung phone ko. Oh no, I have to rotate my phone. Fine, I have to rotate it. Okay. Let's put the tripod here. Ang likot man ng ano. Paano ba ito ilagay yung tripod? How can I rotate it like this one? Oh, it's unlocked. Ang gulo ng camera. Okay lang sis. Sige, magluto ka muna dyan. Mas siguro masarap yung niluluto mo. What you doing, honey? I have to rotate it. No, I don't want to cancel my live. How can I go to setting and rotate it?
No idea.
No idea.
click shit until you get it.
Oh no, I give up. I'm just gonna do it like that. I'm okay with that. And then I'll put my phone here. There you go. It's fine. Oh wait, Paul might have to. Are you testing the 4K? Is that 4K monitor, honey?
No, we just talked about that.
I wasn't paying attention. Is that 4K or not? No. Oh no, turn that off on me. I have the snake.
No, all the snakes are for you.
Uh-uh.
Snakes you love.
No, 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 no. Back to work tomorrow. 2 days off is not enough. Then I have to go back to work tomorrow. Oh my god, look at the snake. No, can you block it please?
No.
Oh my god. Crawling on the trees. I do not like snake.
I do.
I'm scared. Oh my god, that's a ugly color. Is it over? Ah, it's a green snake. Oh my god, that is scary. No. Maybe I can do live stream outside. There, it's over. That's a beautiful flowers. Oh, is it monkey? Oh my god, look at the face and that's scary. Oh my god. That is scary.
How you miss that?
Huh?
You watched that?
Yes.
You didn't jump and make noises?
Because I kind of like just not really watching exactly like I'm watching it. I kind of like close my eyes, but I can see a little bit. Oh, look how pretty is that. It's a turtle. Can we get a turtle? Pet turtle? Oh no, not the snake.
You kill it.
Not the snake. Is it over yet?
Maybe.
I like the size of the computer monitor. It's cute.
Same as these.
Is it? You have 27 inches monitor?
Yeah.
Yes, I win.
Yeah, but
I got 32 inches.
I've got more than double your refresh rate.
Thank you for watching, everyone. While I'm just sitting at home, why not to do live stream? You can't play videos, honey. I'm gonna copyright of the music.
I do what I want.
No! Use headphone, please. You have to use headphone if you want to play videos. It's cute monitor. There you go, it's playing. Are you gonna watch Netflix? It is 7 o'clock, but it's still bright outside.
Uh-huh. That's what seasons do.
Spring?
Yeah.
When is the start of summer?
Like 10 days.
10 days?
9 days.
Oh wow, so it's really close for summer?
Yeah, do you know what the start of summer means?
Like, why is that day the start of summer?
No. Why is that they started summer?
It's the longest day of the year
Longest day of the year?
for the northern hemisphere.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Because the tilt of the Earth. That's when the Earth is at the right place of the sun's rotation to where it gets a longer day than any other day throughout the rotation.
Oh.
And not longer day, longer sunlight time.
Longer sunlight.
It's still 24-hour day,
Still 24-hour day?
but you'll get like 14 hours of sun, while in the winter it can get down to like 8.
Oh, right. During winter, we cannot we barely get sun in during winter, right?
We get it.
We get it, but not like longer. I don't know how to say it. Not like not long. Is it the right time to say it? Not
Maybe.
long. Not longer. Just a little bit, maybe an hour, 2 hours. And
8 hours.
8 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, those are pretty. I like how that is really pretty. Should I do that too? Do a time lapse of the clouds. I mean, I can do that in the inspiration point, right, honey?
You can do that in our backyard whenever you want.
You cannot even barely see the sunset over here because it's covered everything
You don't
with
need
the.
sunset. You just need clouds.
It's
You put your
covered.
camera right there, aim it up, and capture some clouds.
It's covered everything with the trees. Yeah.
If I can see blue, then you can see clouds.
Where?
There and there and there.
There and there and there. Hey, I have one. Do we have snacks?
I don't know.
I want snacks.
I think we need to go to the store.
Which store?
Probably King Supers.
King Super. What time they close? It's 7 o'clock already. If we're gonna go shop, we need to go now. Not now. I don't know what time they close though.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's 8 o'clock. 8:30 maybe. And then we can go 30 minutes. Go shopping. What time they close? I want to do hula hoop. The weight hula hoop. I want to do hula hoop. I'm gonna do hula hoop. I'm gonna turn my camera here because we are gonna do a hula hoop. Here. Ta-da! Oh no, I'll do this one, the pink one. I'll do this one because this is smaller. So skinny. Oh, I do not like this one. It's so light. I'm not get used to it. I like this one. I want to try this one. This is not very good. I'll try this one. This is better. Ooh. 5 minutes maybe. Ta-da!
King Supers is doing normal hours,
No more hours?
so they're open till midnight.
Oh, really? Cool. You can go around 8 o'clock. It's nice, still nice outside. That's cool. I'm doing hula hoop. Well, I'm doing live. Oh no, what I'm doing? I just torture my body yesterday. My abs still hurt. Doing exercise yesterday. Now I'm still doing this one. No, just 5 minutes. Nobody watching.
No?
It's 8 o'clock early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the Philippines. 8:30 or something like that.
No, it's 9:05 a.m.
9:05 a.m. Let's see, I can make a little bit, maybe 20 minutes. Okay, I'm done. It hurts. It hurts. And put back my camera. I can sit here.
I'm tired.
Me too. I'm tired because my body is sore. My arms are sore. I kind of feel like I'm warm.
Okay.
Ta-da. You wanna watch YouTube, honey? So I'm gonna cover it for that now.
You'll be fine.
That is beautiful.
9 minutes in.
There's someone watching. Hello. And let's see if they have message or something. Let me see. How did you see the message? Okay. I don't know how to do this.
What?
Like take off the message, something like that. Oh no. No, 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 no. Pretty same. What's the difference?
Look at them. Can't tell the difference?
This is brighter than this one? Yes.
bright as that one's getting.
A little bit better.
Yeah.
What happened?
Well, the buttons are in the back, and they don't really line up with what they show, so. So that's horrible. Go to the max. Are we gonna see dark stuff? Okay, so. Go to a different scene. Close white to blue.
That is beautiful.
Oh, that'll work. Snow's good.
Colors. Excuse me.
Go away, beer headset. I don't like that phone anyways.
Oh, you don't like that phone?
None of them are great. So say okay. Back. Down. Trying to light.
Ooh.
So let me take off some red. I want to go to a different scene. I can't tell with this. Actually got pretty close actually.
Mm-hmm.
It was there. That monitor's so much clearer.
Uh-huh. Yep. Look at the pictures though.
Next scene, I want a comparison. Oh, I want the menu out of the way so I can see the grass better. Not too bad. Oh, there's some trees. There we go. Not as good, but
That's way too much better. That's beautiful. I look like Colorado.
That might be as close as I can get.
Let me see.
Kind of want like a little more blue. Have a touch.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch. That's Ooh, look at a beautiful.
There we go. Freezing. Let's turn that motherfucker on.
What's that mean?
It'll let me sync it with the video card so that there's no tearing.
Mm-hmm.
It should just always be on. There's no reason to ever have it off.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, hit the power button. Okay, so now go here. FreeSync not supported. I have to restart. Stupid thing.
That's loud.
Oh,
It is loud.
wait.
It is loud. That is beautiful.
I think it looks good there. Here we go. Oh, that's the best quality it gives me. I don't really care about animals.
Is someone watching? Hello. Hi, lovely blue chili. Hello. Kamusta ka, sis? Salamat sa pagpunta. And then, oh, my arms is. Hello. Wait. Ang watch hours ko, ilan na ba? Kulang pa siya ng 1,500. Kulang pa siya ng 1,500.
What?
My watch hours.
2,500.
No. I already 2,500
Yeah, you just said 1,500.
for my missing watch hours. 1,500, right?
Oh, you're saying how many's left?
Yes.
Okay. I thought you were saying how many you had.
Kulang pa sis ng ano. Ikaw na ano ka na? Na-reach mo na ba siya? Bihira lang ako mag-live kasi tinatamad ako. Yan. Ano pa, 1,500 pa yung kulang ko. Wala lang magawa sa bahay. Nag-try lang mag-live. Wow, congratulations! Ang bilis mong ano tawag dito? Ang bilis mong mamoni. Wala, marami pa akong tawag dito, hahabulin. Kasi kulang pa ako ng 1,500. Pero okay lang yun. Ano ba yun yung... Oh. Ganun bala. Ganun ba? Play to play lang? Wala akong masyadong time sa ganyan, sis eh. PC ba? Mag-play to play. Oops.
The hell am I in? Oh, right here.
Thank you sa pagpunta. Try ko lang siya hanggang ano, ang tawag dito. Hanggang mga siguro mga alas 8 ng gabi. Try ko siya hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. Ha? Ano yung sinabi mo? Teka. Ganun ba? Ano ba yung mga bagong policy na ni ano? Kapalitan. Wala akong kapalitan eh. Okay lang yun. Natutuwa lang ako mag ano eh, mag YouTube. Okay lang. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Wala kasi akong kapalitan eh. Wala akong mahanap na pwedeng kapalitan. Yung gustong tumulong dyan sa akin, I appreciate it. Every year may bago. Okay. Okay lang yun. Nagsabi ng ano, busy ako sis eh. Busy talaga. Wala nang time. Yung pag-upload nga ng video, ano pa yun? Binibigyan ko talaga ng ano, at least makagawa ako ng isang video. Sa watch hours. Okay. Marami pa akong hahabulin sis. Matagal pa. Kasi nga ano, wala akong kapalitan. Hindi ko naman alam yung mga ganyan-ganyan kapalitan ba? Yung mga ganyan-ganyan na pwede palang magpalitan ng ano, ng oras.
That's how you sync.
Okay, sa playlist. Ganun pala yun.
Boo.
Boo. What if kung mag-live ako like at least every day, isang oras, makakatulong ba yun ng konti? 10 hours or 5 hours? Okay. Ganun pala yun. Try ko nga, makahanap nga ng ano, kapalitan ba? Makahanap ng kapalitan. Okay. Nakatulong din yun kahit pa paano. What you're doing? No! For my watch hours. My legs is shiny on the camera. I don't know, is it like true or not, or just like the reflection of the light? Because in the camera, honey, my legs is so shiny.
Yeah, they're fine.
What time we're going to the store?
I don't know.
8 o'clock?
I'm always willing to go everywhere right now. It's always you who gotta wait for.
Okay, 7:30. 5 minutes more. And we'll go to the store. And then I'll do live stream again when we come back at home. When we come back from shopping. I love the bird sounds. Look like nature sounds. Yeah, it sounds like nature sound. I'm gonna do a live stream again. I'm gonna try to do live stream tomorrow again. Downstairs. Here, downstairs. Not upstairs because it's too hot upstairs. Okay lang naman dito. Ano pa rin? Ang tawag dito? Yung ibang store is lockdown. Ang tawag dito? Closed pa rin dahil sa ano natin dito? Yung nangyayari ngayon. Anong mga, like for example, anong agenda? Like, palaro or games? Something like that? Ngayon, ganyan mga pahulaan-hulaan, ganyan. Do we have more ice cream?
Yeah, but I don't want.
Oo, next time nga, try ko nga. Na, maybe, play ng 2 oras yung video. O 2 oras or 3 oras. Tigta 3 oras, play yung video. Ganon lang gagawin ko. Minsan kasi pagdating sa trabaho, make up live? Oh, pwede rin yun. Kaya lang, hindi ba mahirap yun sa phone? Oo, pwede rin yun. Make up live ba? Ikaw, alam mo talaga ako, ha? Mag-try nga ako niyan. Make up live. Next time. Bukas, mag-try ako ng make up live. Bukas. Try natin yung make up live bukas. Sa bagay, tama. Pwede rin mag-mirror. Ganyan. Bukas nga, i-try ko nga yung, ganyan, yung makeup live. At least may ginagawa ako kasi, yun nga yung ayaw ko pag nagla-live kasi nabuboring ako walang ginagawa. Nabuboring ako kung anong gagawin ko pag nagla-live eh. Pag makeup na lang ako, makeup live. Or, tawag dito? Ay, pwede. Maybe walking to the neighborhood, maybe. Ganyan. Para mag-live, ganyan. Oo. Oo, sa Walmart din ako nagtatrabaho. Maganda kasi sobrang lapit lang sa bahay, nilalakad ko lang. 10 minutes walk from here to the store. Just across the street. Ikaw din? Malaki pa yung niya, yung yung hours niyo dyan sa inyo? Oo, sobrang lapit lang dito sa bahay, nilalakad ko lang. Kaya nakakatipid pa ako sa gas. Saka sa sa sasakyan. Oh, my body is sore. 3 years? Parang ako 2 years ata. Magti 3 years din ata ako. Ngayong January, June. Parang magti 3 years din ako ngayong January. Parang next month ata ako magti 3 years. Sa Walmart. Tama, parang magdi 3 years na ata ako eh. Magdi 3 years na nga ata. Magdi 3 years na ata ako sa Walmart sa January. That scared me, the sounds.
Scared of water?
No, it's
Are
like
you a witch?
it's quiet and then it's like turn on the volume. Like what is that sounds? Oo, dito sa amin. How much is the 12? Yung yung starting is 12.50, 12.50 ata yung starting dito sa amin. 12.50.
It's higher than that now.
Are you ready to go to the store? I'm just gonna put my shoes. No? Okay. Not yet. 13 na ata ngayon eh. Hindi, 12.50 something. Yung starting dito sa amin. Parang, I smells neighbor's food. It smells good. Is that you or neighbor's?
That's me.
What are you making? It smells good.
Making a snack.
What snack? A bread in the butter?
Some stuff.
That smells good.
I'm not doing it the smartest way, but I'm doing it the way that's fastest.
I'm just playing with my chair. Sticking around. Sticking
Yeah, that's a bad idea.
Can you give me some?
It's not ready.
It's not ready yet. Homeline. Houseware. I mean houseware, homeline. Kung anong tawag. Houseware. Sa mga sa bahay. Panggabi ka, 'di ba? Sis, panggabi ka, 'di ba? Panggabi ka ba? Alam ko panggabi ka eh. Tama ba? O houseware. Yung sa mga tawag dito, mga candles, towels, kitchen, cook and dine. Yung area na yon yung tawag sa amin houseware. Yung department. Houseware. That smells good.
I know.
Make me hungry.
I know.
Give me some. A little snacks. So houseware is that smells really good. There is a bird outside. I can hear it outside. Ooh, I draw my eyebrows nice. Oh yum, I like that. You know what? I have another
Go
phone.
for your lunch.
I have another phone that I can use this. I'm gonna do live stream every day. Oh, it's not charged at all. That's it. I'm gonna charge it. It's dead. That's not so good. Okay, it's charging. Now it's charging. Ooh, I got 2 viewers. Hello, everyone. Hello. I need my sleep for this. Thank you. Thank you, sis Lovely Blue. Sa pag, sabi ko na nga ba, panggabi ka eh. Alam ko kasi panggabi ka talaga eh. Kasi napanood ko yung video mo dati panggabi ka eh. Yung luma-luma, yung luma mo pang video na papasok ka sa trabaho. Ah, OGP. Ah, mataas nga yung sahod sa OGP, di ba? Magkano nga yung yung sahod sa OGP? Alam ko mataas yung OGP. $14 ba yun sa OGP, di ba? Yung nagsha-shopping ka grocery online. $14 ata yung start nun eh. Di ba pangalawang pangalawang mas mataas yung sahod ng OGP, di ba? Di naman? Magkano yung sinasahod mo doon yung lumipat ka sa OGP? I can see myself. I'm so skinny. Magkano yung sinasahod mo doon sa OGP? Ay. Wait. Ay, ayoko doon sa OGP na yan. Parang hindi, ayoko mag-shopping ng ganun kasi kailangan mabilis ka ba? Kailangan mabilis ka doon sa OGP. Diba? Kailangan mabilis ka doon sa OGP. Ah, sanay ka na? Sanay ka na? Mabagal ako. Sa bagay. Dito sa amin, alam ko $14 yung OGP. Yung starting nila, $14. Alam ko dito sa store namin. Dito.
Sounds like that computer's struggling.
Yes, yes.
Well, it is old as hell. Maybe it's just not fast.
Supporting goods ka. Mataas din yung sahod sa supporting goods eh. Alam ko eh. 14 something. Diba? My neck is sore. Why you're looking at that? You're looking at me too? I like my hair. Beautiful, shiny. Is it hot? I'm gonna burn your mouth because of the cheese on it.
You can burn your hands before your mouth.
Oo. Oo nga. Kaya mataas yung sahod nila. Sa electronics din ganun din. Medyo mataas din yung sahod nila. Sa electronics, di ba?
silly.
Christine bite.
I'm gonna go bite that.
Is it? Oh. Where did you get this bread, honey?
We bought it last time we went shopping.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's oh, this is good.
Don't make a mess.
It's already messy down there. It's easy to sweep the food. Mm. It's hot. It tastes good though.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Ah!
Okay.
Because I don't have a tripod. How old I am?
Clean it up.
No, I'm not cleaning it up.
Give me your toast back.
No. 34. I am 34.
It's damaging the floor right now.
Hold on, guys. I spilled water on the floor. I need to clean it.
Honey, come back.
What? Okay.
No. Okay. There, yeah. Thought you weren't taking it.
Oo, 34 na ako. Matanda na ako, no? Teka, ilagay ko nga muna play dito sa kabla. Kasi, natapon ko yung tubig. Doon. Oh my God!
Monitor, come on.
I'll zoom in. I don't know how to zoom in.
God, the struggles.
Oh my God! People don't want to watch. I do apologize. I spilled something. I have to clean this.
What was that?
I don't know.
Let's try.
Good. I spilled it. Oh no, the couch. Did you spill it all the way to the back?
Maybe. Feel.
No.
You get under the rug?
Not yet. Let's see, eye drop. I need something heavier. This one. It won't smell. That. Bit. What is that arrow? I have no. Okay. Oo, mahilig kami sa gadget. Zoom in. That's. Oh my God. I don't know how I did that. I don't want to. Look at that, Annie. Very zoom in.
Leave me out of this. I don't know them and I don't care about them and I don't need to be seen by them.
I zoom in. No, it looks normal in there. I don't know. But whatever. I'm gonna finish my food. How many did you finish?
2. We're whining.
Thank you. I need water.
It's on the floor.
I'm gonna lick it. Huh? Ah. 7 in the morning. 7 a.m. Ready?
Almost.
After I finish this one. Ah. Oh, my bread.
Want water?
Uh-uh. No. Oh no, my phone.
Can't even see it. Let's see.
Mm.
Yeah.
Did you see it? Ah! Sorry, just on your. Oh, that's
Yeah, you're slow.
What do I need to wear? I need water.
Where is it? Back. Back. Move that mouse. The time.
Huh?
28:44. There you go. So, it's a monitor. It's not as good as this $550 one, which was on a Black Friday sale. Normally goes for like $650. But I got most of the colors to kind of match. So give it a sec to catch up. There. Pretty close. I had to turn down the reds a bit. I don't know why they were so oversaturated. It's on maximum brightness and maximum contrast. Well, near maximum. Not too bad. I mean, I wish it was brighter, but it would be fine. And then I turned FreeSync on. I finished playing with that. Let me scoot and scoot and scoot. Okay. Anyway, stuff and things. So, and you go back into here, and then it's under display and FreeSync is not supported. Should be supported. Oh, I know why it's not supported. This video card isn't supported. And you have a different video card anyways. So you're gonna have to enable G-Sync. So you won't have this on your computer or anything that looks like it, because this is the video settings for an AMD video card and you have an NVIDIA video card. What you will have is if you go to display settings, this will pop up. Just right click on desktop, display settings. Okay. It'll tell you your resolution, and apparently that's it. To advanced display settings. Here we go. So when you plug it in, it'll probably go to 1920 by 1080, but 60 hertz. So what you do to fix that is just keep digging deeper. Display adapter properties, monitor, and then you can change it right here. Or you can do list all modes in the main screen and just find 1920, 1080, 32 colors, 75 hertz.
Okay.
Not terribly different, but those extra
Let me go to the rest.
15 hertz will be noticeable. So, like if I do the UFO test or test UFO? Can't remember. It is UFO test. So it'll start to sync and there. So that's 60 frames per second. Pretty crappy, skippy, not beautiful. Then get rid of this full screen bad setting. No one should ever put these full screen. This is Mary. Why would you want something to where when you take it off of full screen, it's still full screen? Like, what's the logic there? This should be like, I can still use my desktop size. Okay. So now that I can use my desktop and find other things, I can list all mode, scroll down, 75, okay, apply. Oh yeah, keep changes, okay. And you might be able to tell it's like a little smoother. I want to set this one at 60. Is there a way to do that?
Oh no.
No.
Oh, what's that?
Cuts it in half each time. That's what 2 frames looks like. 10's pretty fucking bad too. 20 is horrible. 38's like, you might be able to like shoot it, but it's gonna like getting a headshot on something to where like you can't even tell where its head is. That's gonna suck. So 75, it's better than 60. It's not terribly better, but better. Slow it down. So if they're only moving 480 pixels per second, then you can totally headshot that little bastard. That's about how quick something could run across the screen. And then FreeSync would fix tearing issues, which you can't see here, but I'm sure they exist. Oh, this will be Mary's Minecraft. Okay, she doesn't use it. I'll keep it away. Oh, this is Bedrock? Yeah, Bedrock version. What's on here? I'm not gonna play Fortnite. It's like be her account. She's playing, it would kick her off. Yeah, where's the Java? She never installed Java? wouldn't surprise me.
Okay, so it's a monitor. I don't know if like YouTube will show page turn. With FreeSync stuff, you can turn that tearing off.
Open up your foot.
Oh, right. Oh yeah, I don't know how to do that. Okay, so you'll have an NVIDIA control panel when you right click. Inside that, you should be able to set everything, I think. So like I'm on the G-Sync and I got 3 monitors, so this Acer it might give like a different view. I think it gave me something to where it was like G-Sync compatible isn't supported by this device. Do you want to enable it anyways? And I was like, yeah. See if it fucking works. But it works.
Ganda ng panahon sa labas.
Anyways, you end up enabling it and for Windows and full screen. That way it was like dragging windows. It's nice and smooth. Without it, you get some ugly tearing. It doesn't really matter. It really only matters in games. Or movies, videos, that sort of without like opening up some crazy stuff. I got Minecraft, which doesn't even support G-Sync. It does B-Sync, which is the old way of doing it, where you're doing the software inside the game. And then G-Sync is an actual chip that sends the image at the right time. And then FreeSync is the AMD free version of it, which your monitor supports. And 6 months ago, NVIDIA started supporting FreeSync. They thought it would make their brand do better if they're just like, ours is better. It's like, yeah, yours is better. It's also like $100 more per monitor. Go with the other option, which they didn't support. So you'd end up getting the cheaper monitor, but then their video card, and you wouldn't be able to take advantage of the feature.